Welcome to this tutorial on how to take a screenshot in Thinkorswim. Capturing screenshots can be incredibly useful for sharing your trading strategies or saving important information. In this video, I will walk you through the steps you need to follow to easily take a screenshot on the Thinkorswim platform. First, open your Thinkorswim application and navigate to the chart or window you want to capture. Once you have the desired screen in view, look for the little camera icon at the top right corner of the Thinkorswim interface. This icon represents the screenshot feature. Click on it and a pop-up window will appear, allowing you to choose where to save your screenshot. You can select your desktop or a specific folder for easy access later. After selecting the location, you will see additional options for editing or annotating your screenshot if needed. Once you are satisfied with your selection and any edits, click on the Save button. Your screenshot will be saved in the location you chose, and you can access it anytime for your trading strategies or reports. And there you have it. Taking a screenshot in Thinkorswim is a straightforward process that can enhance your trading experience. If you found this tutorial helpful, please consider liking this video and subscribing to my channel for more tips and tricks related to trading and Thinkorswim. Thank you for watching.